website on a search engine, keyword research is very essential. After all, targeting keywords is the best way to get visibility on the internet. However, carrying out keyword research without keyword research tools is very difficult. And even somehow you carried out keyword research without a tool, there are high chances that it might not work very well. On the other side, many good tools are paid tools that may not be affordable for everyone. But you need not be stressed about this, as we have come up with suitable alternatives. Hi, this is Asta from PaperVideo, and in this video, we'll show you the 5 best keyword research tools that are free to use. Every single tool works differently and helps to find the best keywords. We'll explain to you all the features, how to use them, and the uniqueness of every tool. But before we move forward, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first keyword research tool is Ahrefs Free Keyword Generator. It's an absolutely free keyword tool that provides you with phrase matches and questions that get most searched on a particular search engine. You can get keyword ideas for 4 search engines: Google, Bing, YouTube, and Amazon. You also get a choice to choose a country here. To use Ahrefs, what you have to do is go to this website. Then type a keyword you want to target. By default, the search engine will be Google. And to change it, you can just add the text of other search engines mentioned here. To change the country, what you can do is you can click the drop-down box on the right side, where by default mentioned country is the USA. Here you will find all the countries. Then you have to click the Find Keywords button. After clicking the button, you have to tick the reCAPTCHA. After ticking the reCAPTCHA, you will get up to 100 keywords in phrase match and 50 keywords in questions. With keyword ideas, you will also receive the keyword volume, which is the number of searches for that keyword in a month. You will also receive keyword difficulty for the first 10 keywords in phrase match and questions, which shows how difficult it is to rank for that keyword on a search engine. The second tool is Keyword Surfer. Keyword Surfer is basically a Chrome extension which we can add for free on our Chrome browser. It shows you the search volume of a keyword you search on Google and the cost per click value. In addition, it will also show you related keywords and similarity. Similarity means it will show you other search-related keywords and have a specific percentage of similar results. And you'll also search a volume of keywords. For example, if you search SEO in search engine and search engine optimization, you'll see certain similarities in the result that Keyword Surfer shows you. You'll find all this info on the right side of the search engine result page. You can also change the location here. By default, the location will be USA, which you can change based on your preferences. The third tool is Answer the Public. Answer the Public is one of the best keyword research tools. It will provide you with key phrases in the form of questions, prepositions, comparison, alphabetical, and even related queries. What you have to do here is you have to add a keyword. Select your preferred location and language and click Search. Then you will find all the details. First, you will get the question segmented into what, when, which, where, etc. Also, you'll receive the key phrases segmented in prepositions like can, is, to, for, etc. Plus, you can get the key phrase in alphabetical order. For example, if I search for the keyword chocolate, I will add key phrases chocolate plus a word which starts alphabetically. Then you will also get the related queries related to your main query. Like if I search chocolate, I'll receive chocolate brownie as a related query. You can download all these queries in a CSV format, and even you can save the image. Another tool is Bulk Keyword Generator. Now, this is a tool if you have a local business and want to target local keywords. It will help you generate keywords as per your location, which will help you rank your local business. What you have to do here is just choose a business type, whatever it is, like fitness, flooring, interior design, or anything else. Now you will receive a few checkboxes of service type. Tick the one which is most relevant for you and click Select Service Type. Now you have to enter all the locations you want to target and click Generate Keywords. Now that you have the result, you can copy the keywords or just download it in CSV format. The last tool is Google Trends. Google Trend is a free tool offered by Google which helps you understand the trend of keywords over time. It doesn't show you any kind of search volume for a keyword. It shows a trend of a keyword getting low or high in a specific time frame or in a specific region or for all specific categories and for different search types. To use this tool, you have to go to this website. Add a keyword in a search bar and click Enter. You will get the trend over time. By default, it is of 12 months. You can change it. You can change the category, you can change the country, and you can even change the search type here. Below, it shows you the trend of subregions of that country. Below that, it will also show you related topics and related queries, which you can also use as a target keyword. In addition, you can also check your daily and real-time trends. To know more about Google Trends keyword research, you can check the video by clicking on the I button in the top right corner. So these are the 5 best and free keyword research tools. Every tool helps you in a different way. Ahrefs tool enables you to get search volume and keyword difficulty. Surfer lets you check the similarity between keywords. Answer the Public helps you to get the question, prepositions, etc. Trends help to check the trend of that keyword, and Bulk helps you with local keywords. And all this absolutely for free. You can also suggest any other free tools in the comment section. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.